Welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you an epic tutorial on creating the iconic Mad Max saga in Photoshop. In this exciting session, we will guide you through the process of transforming your ordinary photos into an adrenaline-fueled post-apocalyptic world inspired by the unforgettable Mad Max movies. Unleash your creativity as we explore various techniques to give your images that gritty, dystopian touch. Learn how to add dust storms, rusty textures, and dramatic lighting effects that will transport your audience into the desolate wastelands of this captivating post-apocalyptic universe. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced Photoshop enthusiast, our step-by-step tutorial will break down the entire process, making it easy for you to follow along and achieve incredible results. Discover the power of layer blending modes, custom brushes, and adjustment layers to achieve maximum impact in your Mad Max-inspired designs. Join us on this immersive journey as we dive deep into the world of photo manipulation and unleash the warrior artist within you. Get ready to enhance your digital art skills and take your designs to a whole new level with this Mad Max Saga-inspired Photoshop tutorial. The Mad Max Furiosa saga refers to the interconnected stories of the characters Max Rokitansky and Imperator Furiosa featured in the Mad Max film series. This saga primarily encompasses the events depicted in the movies Mad Max: Fury Road 2015 and the upcoming prequel Furiosa, expected release in 2023. The saga begins with Mad Max: Fury Road, directed by George Miller. The movie is set in a post-apocalyptic wasteland known as the Wasteland or the Outback, where civilization has collapsed, and resources are scarce. Max Rokitansky, portrayed by Tom Hardy, is a drifter haunted by his past, wandering these desolate lands. Max is captured by a warlord named Immortan Joe, who rules over the Citadel and controls the only source of clean water in the region. At Immortan Joe's Citadel, Max crosses paths with Imperator Furiosa, played by Charlize Theron. Furiosa is a trusted lieutenant of Immortan Joe, responsible for leading supply runs for the Citadel. However, she secretly rebels against Joe, smuggling his wives, a group of young women he uses for breeding, out of captivity and attempting to bring them to a safe haven called the Green Place. Furiosa's actions trigger the main conflict of the film. As Max escapes from his captors, he reluctantly teams up with Furiosa and the fleeing wives, joining their mission to find sanctuary. The majority of the film depicts their arduous journey through treacherous wastelands, chased by Immortan Joe's army of war boys. Along the way, Max and Furiosa form a bond and develop a deep respect for each other's survival skills and resilience. Ultimately, Max and Furiosa successfully reach the Green Place, only to find it destroyed. They meet a group of warrior women called the Bugolini, who reveal that their best chance for survival is to return to the Citadel and overthrow Immortan Joe. Max, Furiosa, and their allies launch an explosive assault on the Citadel, culminating in a thrilling battle that ends with Joe's demise. The movie concludes with Max parting ways with Furiosa, as he continues his solitary journey. However, the upcoming prequel, Furiosa, will shed light on Furiosa's backstory and further explore her character. It will